A tear runs down Dorothy Edge's face today, almost 3 weeks since police say these scammers stole her entire life savings, $28,000.
I'm calling myself stupid, and I don't want anybody who's as stupid as me to really get scammed.
The trick might sound familiar. Edge says on May 11th, this woman stopped and asked her for directions on the corner of Nostrand and Church Avenues, then divulged she's from Africa and just inherited a lot of money, but she can't take it home.
She cannot take back the money to South Africa because the government will confiscate it.
Then the woman stops this man walking by who was dressed like a pastor. She recites her tale again, and the pastor offers to donate the money for the African heiress. And to prove he won't steal it, the pastor asks Edge for help.
The man with the Bible in his hand to say he's a pastor. And he's going to help. That's what caused me to trust them, the pastor.
From there, the so-called pastor drove Edge and the other woman here to 31st Street, where he jumped out of the car and came back with a bag full of his own cash to prove that he was trustworthy. Then he drove the woman to Edge's house so that she could do the same.
From 26 years I came in this country, I started saving that money. 26 years. And I went down there and I showed it to them, said, this is my money. If you leave the money with me, I would give it to St. Jude.
So Edge handed over her bag of money to prove her own honesty.
She put it in a black kerchief and she wrapped it up. And that is where the money switched.
But when she went home and opened it up, all she found were pieces of newspaper. The pastor and heiress were gone. Is there one, thing you've learned or taken away from this?
Yeah, not to trust anyone. No one at all.
Most scams involve a factor of greed from the victim, but Edge was trying to donate the money. What she gained? A bleaker outlook. In East Flatbush, Brooklyn, Allie Bauman, CBS 2 News.